Hello and welcome back to the Learn Adobe Experience Design CC course. In this lesson we're going to create a menu icon in Adobe XD. So let's zoom in. Now there's a few ways we can do this. We could design the icon in another application such as Adobe Illustrator and then import that as an SVG. Or we could use the line tool. So left click and hold shift to draw a horizontal line. Specify a width and select a color, and then simply go to edit, duplicate, and then use your mouse or the arrow keys to move that shape down, and then go to edit, duplicate again, and repeat. Now doing it this way does mean that these lines are still editable, so you can adjust to the border width. Now another way of doing it is we can use the rectangle tool and we can left click and drag to create a four-sided shape. Just deselect the border, select a fill, and in doing it this way we get this option here where we can specify a radius for the corners. So if I make this shape a bit bigger and set the radius to 10, you'll see that it rounds off those corners. And as I adjust the size of the shape, the radius will stay at 10. So if I bring that down like so, it just gives me that nice rounded corner effect at the end. So it depends what you're looking for. And what you can do actually is select this shape, select the repeat grid option in the property inspector on the right, and then drag that down. And then clicking in the space between each of the lines, just close that gap up. And then any changes that you do make to this top one will then be applied to the others as well. So it's just two different ways of doing it really. But for this lesson, let's go with this one. Now what I can do is I can double click the repeat grid group to go inside. And with the first line selected, I'm going to use the eyedropper tool to select the same blue as the logo. And then it will apply that color to all of the other lines as well within the repeat grid. And then let's just move that to the top left corner, and using the arrow keys and holding shift, I'm going to go down, down, and then across. And there we go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.